way.
I know, but
All right.
the very last one is A.
Okay. First, we're gonna try to see what the power of each of these shells is. We're gonna start with a number 9, and then we're gonna do a number 8. Then we're gonna move to number 4 buck, then double aught buck, and then a slug.
And you're shooting out of a
Maverick 88.
There we go. Oh, and we're shooting a bed liner.
We're shooting a bed line.
Out of my.
All the little birdshot BBs are still in it.
Yeah, they are.
It doesn't penetrate.
No penetration.
To show you that your bed liner actually has ballistic value.
Against 8 and 9 shot.
Maybe 7.5. Maybe. All right.
Fire in the hole. Nice.
About the same powder, I think. This one's number 4. Oh yeah, there's a lot more powder in that one. This is double aught. About the same powder.
And the slug.
Last but not least. Yeah, there's definitely more powder in that one.
Alright.
Let's go see what we did. You can definitely tell the difference in the pattern. All this little crap with the ball still in it, that's your bird shot. That's the 8 and 9. Some of these moderate holes, like right here, right here, right here, that's going to be your number 4. Some of these a little bit larger ones, like right here, right here, right here, and just about all over the fucking place.
That's your
double aught. And
there's your slug.
Yeah, here's your slugs.
And like these over here are your 40 Smith & Wessons previously shot. Alright, we will now repeat the experiment with a
female. There you go, Amanda. It's empty. It's fine. Don't shoot it one-handed, please. What a mess. Okay, where was I?
You need a slug.
Alright, where's my slug box? That's the buck. Come on. Alright. Amanda Leday.
Slug.
One slug. One double aught buckshot. No mosquitoes.
No, tons of mosquitoes.
Number 4 shot. This is turning out to be quite a cocktail. Number 8.
Wait, isn't 8 last?
No, 9's last.
Oh yeah.
Or first. Excuse me, where's the 9s?
Right there.
And first, number 9.
So for those of you tracking at home, that's Estate 8 and 9, Remington, everything else, and who's got the 4 shot? I can't even say that.
Fiochi.
That guy.
Safe, not loaded.
The female. Yeah, we got him. It's on safe. Push the button. In the shoulder. Press the little lever and pump back. Nine. 8.
It didn't load it. Spit it out.
Ah. Pause for effect. Give it here. Let go. Oh, damn it, man.
Didn't do it.
Hold. You only have to press the little lever the first shot.
I only did. It wouldn't go in.
You don't have to come, just make sure you're looking at me. The slug. The double aught buck. And the 4-shot. Huh.
Told you.
Dear Mossberg. Fuckers. What the hell's the slug?
The little boy.
What?
Walk in front of it.
It's all safe. No. But there's no bullets in it. What the fuck?
Try a different one.
Huh.
Can I pause it?
Yeah.
Okay, try this again. The 4-shot is in there. You don't have to press the lever at all. You have to put it on safe and shoot. Or fire and shoot. That was the 4-shot. Double aught buck. And and that was in the Mossberg Maverick Model 88. How'd it feel?
You suck.
It's recording.
CJ, come here. You gotta cover your ears. Okay.
Well, hold the camera. Come on. What are you wasting time for?
Hold the camera.
Hey.
Alright, this is part 2 of the experiment, seeing as how our first person chickened out.
Hey.
We got the 9-shot, 8-shot, 4-shot, double aught buck, and then a slug in the Remington 870. Not the Mossberg.
Cover your ears, Daddy.
Nine. 8. 4. Double aught butt. And the slug. You weren't even on me.
Yes, I was.
Okay, our test dummy's back. Same rounds as previously mentioned. 9, 8, 4, double aught, and then the slug. Nine, 8, 4.
Not that much of a difference in a short shotgun.
We'll find out from the female view.
It's certainly louder, but it doesn't. I mean, it's not that much of a kick.
Yeah,
I mean, not that much of a kick, but
not much more.
yeah, there's no change in kick. It's not that bad.
And our female volunteer is back.
I'm not a volunteer.
A voluntold. Nine, 8, 4, double aught, And the slug. Good job. Good job. How's it feel?
You suck.
Is it worse than the long one?
Yes.
How much?
Pretty bad.
Pretty
Have
bad?
a bruise tomorrow, you're dead.
Oh, you're gonna have a bruise tomorrow? You're so freaking white. I could flick you, you're gonna have a bruise.